Hi everyone, welcome back to today's trade of the day. And for today's trade of the day, I want to point out to you guys gold against the US dollar. So XAU USD, alright, very interesting. Gold price was actually lower, right? Today, 2nd October, it actually went down. But then on the news, let's go to a 1 hour chart. Okay, when the news of Donald Trump and his wife getting COVID broke, okay, look what happened. Immediately risk off, okay, 2 spikes, and you even have the US dollar bouncing higher as well, right? So however, I just really want to start off with the daily chart, okay. Gold prices are going to push higher for a shorter while, alright. Reason because if we connect these highs, alright, something like that, I show you guys. Okay, let's try to touch as many candles as possible. Okay, hang on, let me just change the color. Okay, something like that. Alright, try to touch as many candles as possible without cutting the candle body. Alright, we see 1 tap, 2, 3, price could come back a 4th time, and then we could possibly go short. But from this push up, definitely we can take this trade in the intraday. Next, on the looking at price movement, last movement we take a retracement from the high to the low, and we have a retracement 61.8. we look to the left, we see a strong support level here, strong support which can become a very good resistance level, alright, and 61.8 is also in line with the descending trend line resistance. Alright, so definitely we have an intraday target over there. Let's go down to the lower time frame. Okay, now on the lower time frame, this is what we see. Alright, there's no need to look at this trend line anymore. We can ignore it. We can even shorten this daily target, alright, to somewhere over here, and I'm going to use this as our take profit. Now, price is reaching there already. Okay, let's try to see whether we can try to scalp this. There is an ascending trend line support showing that showing us why price is holding bullish as well. Okay, you have price touching once, twice. In fact, technical analysis was already calling this bounce. Okay, if you look to the left, you actually have a graphical overlap support over here. Alright, so we do have a graphical overlap support at this area. Even in close, it's a very nice graphical overlap support. Alright, and of course we have a even closer support level, which is this overlap here. So I'm trying to see whether I can still take a chunk of this, alright, for on the intraday. So very quickly, let's go down. I'll just use this as sort of a stop loss, so to say, right? Very quickly, let's go down to the 1 hour. Okay, on a 1 hour, I'm going to tidy this up. Doesn't look very nice, okay, because it's chopping through price. Okay, something like that. We can ignore this trend line as well, because now this is the lower time frame. Okay, so what I want to do is I'm going to wait for price to actually retest this level, use it as a buy entry. Alright, I know the move is very strong, but that doesn't mean that there won't be a pullback. Normally when we have strong candles like that, we see a pullback, and we can actually use a Fibonacci retracement of this current move to where price is. Open all Fibonacci ratios. Alright, price is currently at a 23.6 with our take profit at negative 27.20. So I'm just going to highlight 23.6 and negative 27.20. Alright, so very quickly, this is how we are going to play it. Okay, and last but not least, okay, we can of course also add in a moving average, but there's really no need for moving average because we already know how price is going to push higher. Alright, so thanks everyone for tuning in to today's trade of the day. A very quick, simple and straightforward way that we can try to extract as much profit out of the market as possible, especially when there's a huge market moving news such as the president getting the coronavirus. Thanks everyone, have a great weekend ahead, and I'll catch you guys again next week.